I'm not a mechanic, but in this day and age with YouTube, social media, you can learn a few things. I just spent $1,000 on this vehicle. I just lost power. When I accelerate, it tremors, it trembles, the car vibrates. So I saw a check engine light comes up and I see a P0-171, something like that, error code. So I called this guy, the spark plug on the coil, whatever they call it. They were bad, and it's true, they were bad for real. Although I had changed them out like 2 years before, so go figure. So after he worked on it, the problem started again. So I called him, he came and this time it says cylinder 5 misfired, cylinder 5 misfired. So he switched them over and he did some stuff. And then after he was through, another error message came up. And it says P0-171, something like that, code. And it's telling me that the problem is like beyond the filter. It's a sensor, not a filter, it's a sensor. Right on it there. So I took it out and I cleaned it. I'm going to tell the truth. Whether you believe it or not, I'm just going to tell you what happened. I prayed to God. I watched YouTube videos and prayed to God and asked him to show me what the problem is. And I woke up early this morning. I couldn't wait. And the Lord says, put your hand right on it here and feel, if you physically feel a break, and see, you can't see. I put my hand on it there and the whole thing was ripped. The whole thing was ripped. And so now I will eventually either tape this up or just replace it. So I found the problem on my own after spending so much money. So I hope this helps, guys. Right down it here. So the problem was the air intake hose. I taped it up really nicely just to see if it works. And trust me, it works so good. They're pretty cheap. I've seen them on Amazon for like $24, $22, $20. So thank God. So next time, check this out. Does anyone know the cost to do this kind of stuff? But I just did. The part is so cheap, but the labor, man. They'll kill you with the labor. So in addition to your mechanic diagnosing the problem, ask God also, okay? God bless you.